Hi, I'm Lee Labrada, your lean body coach, and thank you for joining me today. Getting older doesn't have to stop you from enjoying a great workout. While you may experience a few more aches and pains than you did when you were younger, there's a lot to be said for the benefits of training that's not only intense, but safe as well. No matter what your fitness goals are, there's many ways to increase training intensity, such as increasing the weight you use, shortening the rest periods between sets, or supersetting 2 exercises, just to name a few. While these methods are tried and true, they obviously have their limitations. We can't increase the weights on every workout indefinitely, for instance, as your body isn't just capable of that. Not to mention that there's a progressive increased risk of injury, such as muscle strains or joint issues. What we're really looking for is an answer to this question. What's the best, most efficient, and safest way long-term to create a stimulus for muscle growth and conditioning? Man, that's a mouthful. We want techniques that are effective, sustainable, and those that have a low risk of injury. And we want maximal fiber recruitment in muscles to create the contraction, the stimulation, and the metabolic effects that forces the muscle to adapt and grow. To be clear, answering this question is not a one-size-fits-all proposition. There's a number of ways to accomplish this, but for this segment, I want to focus on a technique that checks all of those boxes and has a great track record for producing results. You ready? This technique allows us to train with a lot of intensity with minimal stress on the joints and connective tissue, and it's called continuous tension. When we look at muscle physiology, muscle contraction is all about the cross-bridging of 2 key proteins, actin and myosin. When training, we want to stimulate as much cross-bridging as possible in the targeted muscle in order to stimulate growth. By moving the weights very slowly in both the positive and the negative parts of an exercise, you'll create incredible intensity while at the same time keeping the risk of injury at a minimum. Try this working to failure for a set and you'll see what I mean. It improves the mind and body connection. But remember, when training intensity goes up, training duration should go down. While this is not a one set to failure program, it does mean that you'll need to reduce workout volume significantly because you're going to be tired. A couple of sets per exercise with a few exercises per body part can yield amazing results. One final word. Remember that the goal of training is to create a stimulus for growth and conditioning. Once that stimulus has been delivered, get out of the gym. Growth and recovery happen outside of the gym, not in the gym. Eat a high-protein diet and have a lean body shake right after your workout to provide your muscles with amino acids to support growth and recovery. If you give it a try, I'm sure you'll agree that using the continuous tension technique will take your training to new heights. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure that you leave comments below because that gives me the incentive to come out with even more great videos for you. I'm Lee Labrada, your lean body coach, and stay strong.